What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry, and here is our nighttime sky. We see this every night. So I wanted to get a surprise for Mrs. Aircrete, which is this projector screen. In our home, we have a 100-inch projector screen we always watch movies on. And so when I saw this inflatable screen that gets up to 24 feet in size, I said, that's a done deal. I figure it'll be really cool to have movie night in front of a 24-foot screen. So there's a discount until November 27th where you get 25% off with the code BLACK25. And you can see here the discount that I got. So here's the screen. It came in this little box. It's a 24-foot projector screen, and it's inflatable. So here I'm just unfolding it. It was really easy to put together. This whole thing took me about 10 minutes to get everything together, to get the stakes in the ground and the ropes tied off. You can see it's just these buckles that snap together. Yeah, it was really quick. And it comes with this bouncy house blower. You guys are familiar with my channel. You know I use these blowers for inflating my airforms. And so here I'm using that same type of blower for inflating this screen. So I forget the name of this knot, but it's a type of slip knot. It's really powerful, it's really strong, and it comes apart really easy. I don't remember the name. If anyone knows the name of that knot, just leave a comment below. So here are the stakes. They pound in real easy to hold. And here are extra strings that I tied up because we get some wind here. So I tied strings on the front and back. It just helps to make it very stable. Besides the black ropes that it comes with, I added these white strings to it. So 2 in the front, and I put 3 in the back, and I tied them to the buckle straps. So they're tied to the nylon buckle. You can see the rope coming down. You can see where we're going to be sitting. Here's a video of the screen inflating in real time. This is not sped up. So once everything's mounted, when you go to turn it on, it pops up really quick. And with the extra ropes or strings that I added, it just helped guide it up even faster. Really cool. I'm just really excited. Look at the size of the screen. So I know these LCD screens have gone down in price, but if you want an even bigger screen because you like to watch movie or sports, then this screen is really great. Now obviously you don't need a 24-footer. They came various sizes. Perhaps your backyard doesn't need a 24-footer. Maybe you'd be happy with a smaller size, but they do have a few different sizes. That's really nice. I went for the largest one. And this is my desktop projector. It's also capable of mounting on the ceiling, but this is a desktop projector and the image came out great. Here's the stars where the screen was. It's deflated there. Here is inflated. Here's me and Mrs. Aircrete. It got a little chilly out here, but still comfortable enough to watch some Aircrete Harry videos. Obviously we got other movies we're gonna watch, but for the sake of YouTube, we couldn't put regular movies on here for copyright. really nice projector. It went up quick. As you can see, you can watch movies. Actually want to jump in the truck with Mrs. Aircrete and act like it's a drive-in movie theater. Anyway, that's it. Peace out. Love you all, and I'll catch you later.